Hi, in this video I will show you how to change the username of the Twitter. So process is pretty simple. You can change it through your laptop or the computer, or you can simply through your mobile. Process is same for both. So how you can change your Twitter username? Simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Twitter mobile application and you have to log into your account, the one account you want to change the username. So once you will log in with your account, you will see this profile icon on the left top. Tap on it and you will see multiple options, or the menu from the side will appear here. Go from the settings and the privacy from here, and you will see multiple options appear here. Simply you have to go to the account, and once you will go to your account, you will see a username option. Tap on it and you will see new here. You can simply remove this username and write any like, and after that you have to follow the pattern the Twitter allow you to set your username. And once you will done with it, simply click on the done, and your display name or the username on the Twitter will be changed. So this is the procedure to change your username or the display name on the Twitter. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.